Hello, all you angels out there. This is Chef Shonda and Angel Stuff. Kisses. Hello, all of you out there. How's it going? I'm back with another mukbang for you guys today. Today, again, is some of my delicious food from an Angel Stuff. As you see, I have made, I'll tell you everything that's on here. Seafood, pasta salad, sweet potatoes. Let's turn this around. Sweet potatoes, macaroni and cheese. So you got the sweet potatoes, macaroni and cheese. I have coleslaw. All of this is what I made from scratch. And the seafood pasta salad. And as you guys see, I have ribs on the top. And I have a little bit of fruit, so you guys don't think I'm just all of my fat girl stuff. But I am. I am hungry. I haven't really ate all day long. So I decided to come with the mukbang while I'm still hungry. So let's say grace. Thank you for this food we're about to receive for the nourishment of our body. For Christ's sake, amen. First, I'm going to start out with my sauce. I actually have a special sauce that I make. I don't want to spill it, but there it is. I'm just going to pour it all over my ribs. Yeah. Pour it all over my ribs. And I'll also dip my ribs in this. Let me get a napkin for this. The sauce is bomb. It's also an Angel Stuff sauce. I was selling dinners yesterday. People came out, supported me, tried this great food. I also have orange crush pop with a little straw in it. Let's dig in. And I have this long towel because I know that's what I'm going to need. So let's dig in. How's it been going? I don't know if I'm going to do a lot of talking. As you see, my voice is kind of lost it a little bit, but I want you guys to see this rib. As you see, the sauce is kind of trying to drip off. These are my ribs. These are baby back. I grilled these, as you see, in my sauce. So hungry. As you see, they're falling off the bone. I'm gonna have to get a place for bones. God. Place for bones over here. Delicious. Like you see, my meat comes straight off the bone. Straight off the bone. Now let's try the coleslaw. I slice it very thinly. As you guys see, shred it very thin. Oh man, come try it. Got the seafood pasta salad. Has the crab in it. It has the shrimp in it. As you see, it has the crab. It has the shrimp in it. I'm not saying that this is my food, but absolutely amazing and delicious. Sweet potatoes. You guys take a good look at these. Wish you had smell-o-vision. See that? They're caramelized. Brown sugar. Got the brown sugar in there. Cinnamon. Sweet potatoes. And they're so soft. And of course the macaroni and cheese. Zoom in. See that? Creamy, smacking cheese. Nice and creamy. I make my sauce from scratch, of course. So many different types of cheeses I put in it. Go for another rib. I'm gonna dip it in some sauce. I keep the ribs, I grill them, but I keep them, not all of them sauced, because everybody don't like sauce. So I'm dipping this one in sauce. These ribs, you know, they weren't sauced. So I can, you can see it's dripping. Baby backs, nice and grilled up. Let me fall off the bone. Especially with my sauce. Dip it down the sauce again, you see that? That gristle part. Everybody don't eat that gristle part, but I eat the gristle part, but look at them. As y'all see, my meat come right off the bone. And I do eat the gristle part. I'm not gonna eat it now because I got like 6 or 7 bones in here. Plenty of meat. Let's go back to the coleslaw. Everything's so good. You don't know what to eat. You don't know which side to go for. I love it shredded extra thin, you know. Pasta salad. Get that shrimp in there. Got the olives, the broccoli, cheese, cucumbers, tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. Just gonna go one more round. It's like the round table. And I don't mind my foods mixed. So I'm gonna take a little sweet potato and mix it with a little pasta salad. Go back to the mac and cheese. See the size, what's gonna fill you up. It's so creamy. See that? See how creamy that is? That's just mac and cheese. Then, forget about the little fruit now. We don't neglect the fruit. Get a little freshness added in there. Strawberry. It's even sweet. Whew. Like I always tell you, my eyes is bigger than my stomach. But I'm going to try to put a dent in this. So I'll be out for the countdown. But I'm off tomorrow. That rib. I can see it coming right off the bone. coleslaw going. So how are you guys? I know when food is good, I just be forgetting to talk. But I do have a story about the other morning where when I got up to go to work, I noticed my tire was flat. And upon inspection of my tire, I realized that it actually had 16 nails in it. 16 nails. I have no idea how I got there. Craziest thing. Couldn't go to work. Had to call my boss. And everyone knows that sounds like a made-up story. But I told her, I was like, it's absolutely true. And what's so crazy is the night before that, I was really tired. And I was gonna contemplate on calling off from work. But I didn't. I said I'm gonna press my way on, going into work. I only had like a couple hours of sleep, but you know, I was going into work. I woke up early that morning, made myself some really sugary iced coffee, grabbed the Mountain Dew out the door, only to realize I wasn't going nowhere. Excuse me. And this orange pop, excuse me, it's really good. Sweet potatoes. Stick through my mouth. So caramelized with that brown sugar. Trying to stick through my mouth. Macaroni and cheese. If you please. And it's nice to throw this fruit in here. Has a little coleslaw on it, but it's just, you know, a little freshness in between bites. That orange had a little coleslaw on it. Still was good. One thing I like about coleslaw is no matter how you plate it up, it always runs a little bit. So you kind of want to either put it in a container to itself, or it always runs a little bit. Guys, how have you been? Guys, my stomach is all, my eyes are always bigger than my stomach. Oh, I forgot I had cornbread. I brought one cornbread over. One roll. I'm gonna go for the roll. I'm such a bread eater. You know, I'm surprised I didn't grab no light bread. Just stopped it around that rib. Man. So I do know I'm not eating all this, right? I do know that, right? But hopefully you had a great day. Hopefully you had a blessed day. Hopefully you were a blessing to someone. It's always refreshing. When you drink pop, I think, you know what I'm saying, with barbecue or whatever, it's always refreshing. My stomach filled up quick. That girl must be losing weight or something. She must be losing weight. My stomach filled up quick. I'm just twisting this bone around in this sauce. Just twisting this bone, twisting this bone, twisting this bone around in this sauce. Look at that. I'm ready to fall off the bone. Fall off the bone. Right into my mouth. See, I knew I would need this. I just really had to rip it off like this long. Still with it. And then in my little mind, I'd be thinking, oh, fruit's going to give you room. No. Of course not, go with the fruit. So like, subscribe, share. Tell everybody about this good food you guys be seeing. Come and try it. Yeah, tomorrow morning I'm doing shrimp and grits, fish and grits, chicken and waffles, omelets. What else? Oh, fried potatoes, of course. English. I don't think you get meat in your teeth. Okay, what did I do? I need to put a dent in this platter, as y'all see. Let's see. Coleslaw got a little bit gone. Pasta salad, I ate that hump down. Ribs in the middle, I ate about 4 bones. Sweet potatoes. Turn it. Mac and cheese, yeah. Whew. This was definitely delicious. Definitely filling. Like I said, the only problem with me is my eyes is always bigger than my stomach. Yeah. And I'm just not about to eat till my stomach explode. But, you know, I enjoyed you guys. I thank you guys for coming to chop it up with your girl. Chopping it up. Thank you for coming to chop it up with me. You know, this was a delicious dinner. Like I said, like, subscribe to my page. Share my page. You know, leave comments below. You know, anything you guys want to see me cook or eat. I was going to bring a dessert tonight. But I know I wasn't going to be able to eat it. So I didn't even make one up. Although I do have lemon cake in there. I have lemon cake. I have strawberry shortcake and peach cobbler. Yeah, but I know I wasn't ready to get to it. You know, maybe after this food settles down, I can have dessert you know, in a little bit. Excuse me. But yeah, I know I wasn't gonna be able to make it to it, but anyways. Oh yeah, I was selling dinners yesterday, you guys. A lot of people came out to support me. A lot of people tried my food. They all said they enjoyed it. They really did. They all said they enjoyed it. Good feedback. So you're welcome. You know, look me up on An Angel Stuff on Facebook. You can view my pictures. You can see, you know, when I'm selling dinners. You know, try to come out and try it out. It's absolutely delicious. You know, you have to see for yourself. You know, of course, I'm An Angel Stuff, so I'm going to rep my own food. But that's why I say try it for yourself. It's absolutely delicious food, and you know, come see what all the buzz is about. But I'm Chef Shonda. I enjoyed you guys. You know, coming to sit with me, chop it up, watch me eat this mukbang barbecue, this delicious barbecue meal. Join me again. Like I said, like, subscribe, share. Your girl. I love you guys. All my little angels out there. Till next time. Kisses. Love you.